Hi, my name is Makika Harris. I am the proud owner of the new KidCreate Studio located in Westwood Shopping Center. Ben Stout did my upfit for this location, and I cannot tell you how proud and how happy I am with the work. He did a great job helping me identify some of the things that I didn't know I should consider, and the space turned out perfect. At KidCreate Studio, we offer classes, camps, workshops, and birthday parties. We also offer on-the-go classes. Our kids can expect a curriculum-based and structured art class. They learn how to create slime, different color slimes. They learn the aspects that bring everything together. They learn different techniques with drawing and painting. We do a lot of canvas painting, a lot of different things to help create textures. We use plaster of Paris, we use paper mache, we use painted paper. We recycle a lot of products and reuse those for some of our art projects. Our art classes are structured for kids between the ages of 18 months and 12 years old. The classes are broken up by age group. Parents can expect their child to get an age-appropriate project completed for their child. Our studios are open during class time or by appointment. You can find more information about our classes online at kidcreatestudio.com and just go to the Fayetteville location.